Hello, my beautiful sweets. Sweet Sadie J coming back at you. I'm over here at my large Dollar Tree. And I guess they got a truck last night, y'all. These are so cute. Live, laugh, love. And I've never seen these bowls in the red. They are so pretty. I got them in the green and the blue. And they got the whole set. Salad plates or dessert plates and the regular size plates. And y'all know I got this whole set in the green or the blue green. But they got the two sets of pot holders, the oven mitt, and the towels. Very, very pretty. Perfect for barbecue. And even the drying mat. Nice. Alright, let's go see what else they got. See these new water squirt guns or water blasters, blue and green. Remember when we used to play with these, y'all? I showed you guys these, the splash things, splash discs a while ago. Alright, I got the cute little buckets with the glitter. Looks like it's glitter inside. Blue, yellow, purple, green, and red. And they have the matching shovels with them. Well, not matching because that's blue and it's got a purple shovel. Wow. Let's see, we finally got the large cups. Plenty of them over there. These things are huge. Ginormous. Very, very cute. My big booty Judy is walking into stuff. They've got these big platters, different colors. There's the ice trays or candy molds. Disclaimer, I don't know how well these things work, y'all, but they got a lot of nice appearing to me. A lot of spatula, tong set, tong turners. They've got this wireless grill cleaner. Looks like this. So they got a lot of stuff for the grill, y'all. For the barbecue. Wow. They put out some of the Memorial Day and 4th of July trucks, the steaks. I still have my red one from last year. Still outside on my patio. They got some new, what do you call it? Wind things. Pinwheels. And I still got all of mine. Very, very nice. They even got some from Memorial Day and 4th of July. And y'all know how long ago these came out? They're just now getting to my store. That's a shame. Shine. These are for the kids. Wow. Let's see the inflatable neck rest pillows in the blue and in the gray. So we got those. Shipment of the new bags in, y'all, by Juncture. And I think these have the bumblebee ones in them too. This one is Life is Meant to Be Lived. This one says Daydreaming. These are so pretty and very, very well made. And then they got that one back there. And this one, Life is Meant to Be Lived. And there is the bumblebee. Save the bees, protect the hive. Those are the new ones. Shoot. We have some new pillowcases here. They are not the satin ones though. It's 100% polyester, but it says faith, family, and friends. And we got that one. And they have this one. Somebody's been through them, but they're not the satin ones. I hadn't seen this one. This is Village Naturals Therapy, Aches and Pains, Nighttime Relief. It's a mineral bath soap. Restful sleep, sore tired feet, on-the-go relief. Ooh, I might have to try one of those. I haven't tried the ones that I got. And I see these. Bath Treasures. Bath Bomb Collections. These things are ginormous, y'all. I wish I could take a bath. I can't. Well, I can. I just can't get down there. If I get down there, I can't get up. So that one looks like that. This one looks like more pink than white. These are Rose Petal Kisses. Trying to see if they're different fragrances. That's Cherry Blossom. And this is Rose Petal Kisses. See if they have any more different ones. No, just those two. That's cute. Yeah, I see Arm & Hammer came out with some new Essentials Moisturizing Shower Gel. Ooh, that looks nice. We know about the body wash, but wow. It's more Power Stick, intense body wash. Oh my God, I got so much of this stuff. Power Stick is really flooding the Dollar Tree, you guys. I'm finding stuff new almost every day. It says Power Stick for her. Intense Moisture Foaming Body Wash. And then they have this one. Cool. They have different fragrances for these. This one is Clear Water. And this one is Juniper Berry. And then they have up here Simply Fresh. And more of the Clear Water over here. So they're coming out with different fragrances on the Arm & Hammer. Very nice. Then they've got this one right here, bonus trial size, Ultra Max, with baking soda for advanced odor control, 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and cool water. Cool. Now I missed the Lever 2000 body wash. And we've seen this before. This is the original. Now they got some new Power Stick for the men. Foaming Cool Blue Water, body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And they've got the Power Stick bonus ones. I think they've always had these, but they're the bonus ones. And they got a lot of the Ultra Max Arm & Hammer up here. Now I've seen these ginormous baskets in all different colors, but I have not seen it in that pretty and pink. And I think I've seen it in the gray. You have it in the red over there. You go to the other store, they have them in so many different colors, but I have not seen this color. This is so pretty. Thrifty Tiffany is going to freak when she sees this. Wow. Well, it looks like my store finally got the whole sets, y'all. I thought I'd run to all these other different stores to get them, but they got everything but the hot plates. And I'm waiting for the hot plates to get here with my truck on it, because they're out there. I've seen them. I know they got them, but I can't get on the road right now, so yeah, that's nice. My store finally got them.